Fresh face in 7 days. I own several serums, and this is one of the best that I have. Bianca, the argan oil in this sets it apart from other brands. Sara, fall in love with the person in the mirror with the I Am Radiant Facial Serum. A complete 3-in-1 affirming system for fast-acting results, vitamin C, argan oil, and hyaluronic acid. Experts agree that these are the best anti-aging ingredients for your skin, and now you can have it all. Only a few drops and your skin will be instantly moisturized and protected. Easy to apply with quick absorption. Lightweight, with no greasy residue. High standards in quality, safe, natural, organic, and vegan. Endorsed by herbalists and estheticians. Think and grow lovely. Use the bottle to daily affirm your beauty for a complete transformation, inside and out. Empower your beauty, and help others do the same. For every purchase, $1 is donated to empower a child in the developing world. Participate in everlasting beauty with the joy of giving. Try it with our 100% money-back guarantee. Inside every person is the power to feel youthful, confident, and radiant. If you don't get the results you expected, or the serum just didn't work for you, just let us know and we will refund you 100%. The risk is on us. No questions asked. You can't lose money, but you can start improving your skin today. Important, free gift: all orders will receive easy-to-follow instructions to perform a self-facial yoga massage. Why pay hundreds at a spa? Get the same results daily in the comfort of your own home. Click the Add to Cart button before we're out of stock. Start seeing results in 7 days, all the best anti-aging ingredients in one bottle: vitamin C, virgin argan oil, and hyaluronic acid. Revitalize your skin and rejuvenate collagen production. Improve your skin's firmness while it moisturizes, restores, balance, and protects, so you can put your best face forward. Look healthier and younger naturally. We feel your pain. Many products simply don't work because of ineffective, cheap, and toxic fillers. Our serum is backed by Mother Nature and every ingredient is designed for your skin health. From hydrating aloe vera to balancing geranium. Rise up and reaffirm with confidence, I am radiant. Absorbs into your skin immediately, only takes a few drops to do its job. Lightweight with no greasy residue. Perfect for those who don't have enough time and just want quick results. Compatible with all skin types, fine lines, wrinkles, blemishes, dry, and sensitive skin. Only the safest certified organic ingredients used. No alcohol, parabens, sulfates, dyes, and synthetic fragrances. Conscious beauty you can trust, cruelty-free, vegan, FDA and GMP certified, made in the USA. 100% money-back guarantee. If for any reason you don't absolutely love your serum, just let us know and we'll refund every penny. You can keep the bottle. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.